Hello friends, today I am going to tell you the weaknesses of English. The major weaknesses of English are many. But today in this video, I am going to tell you a few of them. The first thing that I have seen and I have experienced is poor pronunciation. Right? Many people have the knowledge of English, but they cannot speak because of their poor pronunciation. Pronunciation matters a lot. If you are not able to pronounce each and every word with a proper syllable and correctly, you will not sound good. Though you have the knowledge of English, if you are not able to pronounce it properly, people may laugh at you. I am telling you the reality. When I was learning English and I was not able to pronounce each and every word correctly, but I did not give up. And many people used to, make fun of me because I was, not able to pronounce different words. Like instead of saying air, I used to say air. Instead of saying hair, so I used to say, hair. And hearing this odd pronunciation of mine, people and my friends used to laugh. But I did not give up there, my friends. I kept on working hard and I really worked hard to improve my pronunciation, and finally I managed to learn. And this is the major weaknesses of English. If you are having poor pronunciation, then you must learn. You must learn how you can improve. So the simple, technique of improving your pronunciation is, you have to talk daily. You have to talk daily, because the more you talk, the more you learn, and your pronunciation gets better. So one particular word, if you are saying 10 times or more than 10 times, so definitely you will get the correct sound of that particular word, right? So similar way, if you are speaking daily, so you may be, making too many sentences, so when you make or formulate sentences and talk to people, definitely, the words will get registered in your brain, and slowly and gradually in the process you will begin to speak with correct pronunciation. Don't be afraid, but you have to work hard and work hard. Second thing is, British pronunciation and American pronunciation. I personally followed, British pronunciation because it is quite easy, and I have been taught British pronunciation because American English is slightly different than British English. And as Indians, so we especially follow the British English because we find it little comfortable while speaking in British English, right? So as Indians, we have our own weaknesses, mother tongue influence and all that, but in spite of all those things, if we really work hard on ourselves, talking to people, speaking each and every day, making YouTube content in English, so this will really help a person, or this will really help you to improve your English pronunciation. So the second point is, it is simply the practice. It's all about the practice. How you are going to practice in your day-to-day life, that matters a lot. If you are investing more and enough time in practicing, then it will come up well. If you are not, giving your time into practice, then it's not going to come well. As simple as that. So what I suggest you is that you have to practice. You have to practice. If you are making 10 sentences, so make and speak out. If you are learning 10 words, learn and speak out. And you also can record your voice, how you are sounding, you will come to know, right? So these are the major weaknesses that people face in order to talk in English. Pronunciation is very, very important. If you are having poor pronunciation, then the knowledge that you have on English may not help in the long run. Maybe you will be able to write, but you will not be able to talk confidently. So the knowledge on English will definitely help if you are, alert enough to work on your pronunciation. So this is going to definitely help you.